All right, let's start with another example based on logic. Let's read this. So we have two statements. One of them is a thief. So we have three people, A, B, and C. A says, I am not the thief. B says, A is the thief. And C says, I am not the thief. Okay. We know two statements to be true. One of them is definitely thief. Exactly one of them is speaking the truth. Okay. Based on this, we want to conclude or find out who the thief is. Okay. Let's see how we do it. Pay attention to the process and not the answer. Okay. You might jump to the answer. Okay, I know this guy is the thief. The more important part is the process. The process we're trying here to formalize or systemize the process that we use to reach the conclusion. Okay. So we start by supposing things. We suppose that A is thief. If this is the case, then both B and C are speaking truth, right? C is saying that I'm not the thief. If A is thief, and there is only one thief, then C is definitely speaking the truth, right? And B is saying that A is thief, which means that B is also speaking the truth. But that's not possible, right? Because we know that exactly one of them is speaking the truth, right? So that's a process that we used to eliminate the statement that A is thief. All right, so we use this process of elimination to eliminate one of the supposed conclusions, okay? If we reach there, the second thing is we assume that that B is the thief. Can you argue about why B is or is not the thief before looking at the next slide?
B is not the thief because A is also saying that he is not the thief and C is also saying that he is not the thief. So two corrections.
Okay. So if B is the thief, there are two statements which are which seems true. Okay, where A says that I am not thief and C says I am not thief. Okay, which means that you want to add something.
C is the thief. Yes.
Yeah. So again, the thing is, we on this slide we proved that the statement that B is thief is wrong. Okay, because it contradicts one of the assumptions that we started with. Once we know that A and B are not thieves, then the statement that exactly one of them is thief gives us the answer, which is that C must be the thief. Okay, and we can verify the statement as well that this agrees with our original hypothesis. All right. Okay. So again, pay attention to the process that we are using to reach a conclusion. This problem could become extremely complex pretty easily, okay, assuming that you have, for example, n people and exactly k of them are speaking the truth, and you have a few bunch of other constraints as well. That's why it's important to kind of formalize the system or systemize the process instead of just concluding a solution, okay?